Good evening, one and all present in this virtual session on redefining libraries with digital tools. As we have already discussed about many other tools which can be used for helping the libraries to enhance our library services and also to provide best services to our library patrons. I welcome you all to this another session on redefining libraries with digital tools. And in this session, we are going to have discussion about another tool which is very good for enhancing the research services. As we all know that research is a very complex process where we do collect lot of materials to complete our research writing or to bring some new research output. We also come across many other literature or document which we find very difficult when we compile our research writing or when we compile our ideas together in the form of article, thesis, or dissertation. So to organize all of them in a proper way, to cite the references in a proper way, to prepare the bibliography in a proper way, there are many good tools which can be used to enhance our research output in a better structured way. So we are going to have discussion on a very good tool which is a product of Elsevier, that is called Mendeley. Like Mendeley, there are many other reference management tools which can be used for managing the research data, but Mendeley has got some good feature which can help the researcher to manage their research data in a proper way. So I'm going to start discussion on the Mendeley. Many of you might have used this tool, but some of the things which time to time have been updated, have been upgraded, and that I would like to draw your attention that what we can do, what uh, new we can do with the Mendeley. Uh, the topic of my talk here is research writing and research data management with Mendeley. So I would like to brief about the steps which we follow when we compile any research work. And if you look into the process of any research writing, we have the different steps where we start right from the selecting topic, where we get an idea, where we start the research work. But our process does not end there. It has again, we have to think about the topic which you have taken, that how it can be narrowed. Narrowed means, suppose I take library automation. Library automation is a very broader area. To have the better research output, I need to specify, or I need to have the specific topic so that my research can be, or output can be pinpointed, or you can say the better output based on the idea which I am going to or have chosen for my research work. And finally, when we complete this process, selecting the topic and narrowing the topic, our third step is searching the literature, searching the different resources. Why? Because we have to find the research gap. There may be other researcher who have already done, who might have done work on the similar idea or some other idea. So we using these resources which are very useful to find the research gap, we start searching them, and once we compile or get all other resources which are related to the research work, we start taking notes and reading them and making notes of the important points which may be relevant to my study. And then we prepare the outline, or you can say the we prepare the draft outline or draft rough, you can say the compilation of our idea. And then after that we do in-text citation. Whatever the resources we have searched, we try to cite them properly in a proper place so that it does not have any plagiarism issue, or we do not have any similarity issue when we check with any anti-plagiarism detection tool. And once we complete, we also prepare the reference bibliography at the end of our article or research writing. And finally, when we are done with all the processes, we again revise and finally submit the document. So my concern is here, why it is important, what are the things we have to look into. See, when we search the document, the there may be 100, 200, or even more than that. When we start searching the resources, there may be relevant, some of them may be irrelevant. And after that, when we start reading and making notes of from all the downloaded or search document, it is very difficult to compile them. It is very difficult to cite them properly. It is very difficult to prepare the bibliography one by one as per any citation style. So to avoid that, there are many good tools, and Mendeley is one of them. So I am going to have discussion that how Mendeley can be used to organize all your research data. See, research data does not include only the article or the paper which you download. It also contains the numerical data which we compile or we collect. It may also have in the different format which we collect from the different sources. But the main point and the important point in the whole process is that how do we manage all the documents which we get from these resources. So I would like to draw your attention towards the introduction of Mendeley. It is a free reference management tool. People call it as a reference manager also, which is helpful to store, organize, note, share, and cite references and research data. It helps you to automatically generate bibliographies, as I already mentioned. It helps you to collaborate easily with other researchers online who are working around the globe. Easily import articles from other research software. It also helps to find relevant papers based on what you are reading. As I mentioned that when we do research, we come across many articles, many research writing which may be relevant to our study. It also helps to access papers from anywhere online. Basically, Mendeley was developed by three researchers: Paul Foeckler, Victor Henning and Jan Reichelt, and it was first released in the August 2008. Right now, the current version is 2.114, and its website is www.mendeley.com. But after once it was released in 2013, Elsevier purchased it, and since then it is the product of Elsevier, which is very renowned publisher. Mendeley is available online, means you can access it, download it, you can install in the desktop, and it is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, all cross means platform. It also helps to import data through browser. It has browser extensions that imports metadata and helps to retrieve the full text article available on the web, subject to it's openly available or available in the open access. It is also providing you feature that you can integrate Mendeley with your Microsoft Word or the other supporting software similar to Word, and it will allow you to generate bibliography and in-text citation. So there are many features of Mendeley, and we will see one by one. And the best part of Mendeley is that it has crowdsourced index of scholarly article with more than 100 million unique records. So when you do search in the mendeley.com, you get not only the references, you also get their source, and also the details about the citation, details about the relevancy with your research which you are doing. Not only this, it also suggests that what similar document or the useful document can be useful for your research work. So it's a free research data management solution and provides you opportunity to work with other researcher also working around the globe. So we will not discuss theoretically here. I will just take you directly to the website where we can see how we can access the Mendeley. See here, mendeley.com. When I open the browser and write mendeley.com, so it will take me to the main page of Mendeley, where you can see on the top itself it is written, it allows you to search over 100 million cross publisher article, and it not only includes one subject, it includes almost every subject, and you will find the detail. I will just show you one example. Suppose I am searching nanotechnology, and I can get, see, 1,19,998 result within fraction of second, and you can see what resources or document type it has searched: journals, generic, book section, conference proceeding, books and thesis, reports, web page, working paper, magazine article. It has covered almost all type of document. And what are the major journals where it has got more number of records? The author, and also it has got 24,847 in the open access. And you can see that these are the metadata detail which you can directly add to your Mendeley library. I'll come to this point later because this is also the part of discussion. So once you get this page, you have two options. Either you can work in the web dashboard, or you can download the desktop version and install it in your computer and work on it. So to begin with, first of all, you have to create an account. Unless you create an account, it may not allow you to work. So I have already created one account. So I will log in with this. It is very simple. It will ask you to provide your name, email ID and all, and then you complete. Once you complete, you log in with this. So it will get you inside the web dashboard. You see, I got into this DP Tripathi now, and my dashboard is like this. But it, as I already mentioned, that it helps you to download the Mendeley reference manager and install in your desktop PC, and then you can work being in the window desktop. I have one concern here. I do not suggest directly to use the latest version. Rather, I suggest the previous version of Mendeley desktop. You can simply search mendeley.com .com slash auto update slash installers dot slash 1.19.3. Why do I suggest this? Because the latest version of Mendeley reference manager has many changes which may not be comfortable for you, because I will show you the previous version, and then I will show you the new version also. You will find difference, but you will get all features in this also. Here I will, let me show. I will just download, and I have already downloaded, you see, 1.19.3, and I have installed it. Installation is very easy. Simply, just like other software, you need to just follow the steps, and it will complete the installation. And once it is installed in your system, then it will ask you to run Mendeley. And once you have finished the installation, it will ask you to provide the same mail ID which you have created as your login ID. Enter your password. Make sure that you do not make mistake while entering the password. And once you enter, you see here it is asking me that the latest version is also available of Mendeley of this series. Okay, I will install 1.19, and then so again it is asking me, so I will log in with this. Okay, so you notice here that it is asking you to install Citation Plugin for Microsoft Word. So if I install this Citation Plugin, what will happen? It will allow me to cite the references in my research writing, and also it will help to prepare the bibliography. I will demonstrate when we do. And it also reference manager already installed, so I will check. Do not show me this message anymore. So next time when I open this, it should not show this message. And this is the instruction that what if you are opening, what you can do. You can add the file from here, then you can local and cloud, you can synchronize using this button. And then this is for help button to get the help from net or Mendeley site. So I will delete this all which I will delete from my directory. This is also I will remove, so I can make you understand in a better way. Okay, and so my all that means library of Mendeley is free now. Now you see uh, we have three panes here. Means it is divided into three pane when you open the Mendeley. The left one, middle one, and right one. So left one is again divided into two parts. The upper portion contains the option of My Library, where you can see all documents, what are the documents you have read, which you have added here in the library, and also then which one is the favorite one, what is your publication, if there is any group. So that also you can see here. And then it also allows you at the bottom to filter by four options: author, tag, and publication or keyword. So it will suppose whatever the documents you have added here, so if you choose this, so you can easily get the result. I will show you. Middle one is the area where you when you add the document, it will display in the list form, which will have the detailed author, title, year, and then when it is added. And right side, when you select the from the list any document, it will extract the metadata and show the detail at the third pane right side. So let us start how we add the document here. The first question, that what are the methods to add the document. You can see on the top there are many options available. The first one is the file, which gives you the option to add file, add folder, watch folder, and enter manually. Or you can import the metadata from other reference manager like BibTeX, InNote, RIS, and then you can attach the document here. So I am going to add the document right from one by one. I will demonstrate. I will start with the adding file. Adding file means individual file. I am going to show you that how you can add. So I have downloaded some of the articles just to demonstrate. Let me show you the first article I am going to add here, and I can see that this document has been added to my Mendeley library. And when I just click on this, the document which recently I have added to my Mendeley library, right side it extracts the metadata and shows the information. The title is the type of the document is article, journal article. The title is Research Data Management 101, the life cycle of a data set. Author and all other detail, if it is given, it will show like issue, volume, pages, abstract, whatever. But in this case there are less information. Let me show you another one. I'll go again and take another document which is added, and I will just select this one, and this is also added. So far I have added two documents here. But this what I am doing one by one. Another method to add the document is that you can add the full folder. Instead of adding the document one by one, you can add the whole folder which you have in your desktop. So you can see I have this folder which I want to add. I will simply do OK, and see all my documents of that folder have been added to library. Okay, so you can see now if I select this, it shows me the metadata of the related document which is added and now available in the research Mendeley library. So if I click any document, it will show the metadata at the right side. So likewise, if you have 100 documents, 200 documents, all of them you can add here. But sometimes it happens that 100 documents you have added, and next time you again after 10 days you search another 10 documents which you want to add. So one option is that you can add one by one, but another option, and that is very useful, that instead of adding one by one, you can integrate this watch folder. And what exactly it will do, if you assign this watch folder, next time whenever you are adding any document to that folder, it will automatically add that document to your library. You don't have to select, or you don't have to add it separately. It will automatically fetch the document and it will be the part of your Mendeley library. So you see, all these documents have been added using this method. And the last method which I would like to demonstrate, that is the manual entry of the document which you are adding. So you can see there are many document type here. It is not only restricted to one or two. I'm taking journal article, so you can add the title, author, journal name, where it is published, year of publication. You can write the abstract, you can write the tag, you can write the keyword, the URL, and the digital object identifier, and finally you can add the file if you have, and then you can save it. So what will happen? It will be the part of your Mendeley library. So the four options make you you means four options allow you to add the file to your Mendeley library. In addition to this, in case you have downloaded or you have been working in any other system which you have taken the backup in the form of bibtex, means bibtex or XML or RIS, so that you can directly import to your Mendeley library. So far, we have discussed this. Now let me show you that what is the advantage of having in Mendeley library. See, when I added all these documents, the left side you notice all these authors, the number of authors involved in all the document have been extracted and it is available at left side. If I click here, any author, if I select, it will show me the relevant or concerned document related to that author. Similarly, if I search keyword, so it will show me the keyword. If I show tag I will demonstrate when I discuss. Similarly, the publication, all these publishers involved in this. So this is the benefit of having the document in the library. It automatically extract the author and you can locate the document using the author name. Now let me take you to the different options of my library. On the top there is an option all documents, which you can, when you click here, it will show all the documents here. But there is another option, recently read. Recently read means whatever documents we have added, but as of now I have not gone through any document. So in case if I open any document, let's just see this. I have just opened this document and now I want to take this portion for my study. So what it does, it allows me to highlight the portion which I want to take to my uh, research paper, and here I can also give the note, like I want to add this portion of this article in the introduction. So next time when I open, let me close this, and next time when I just open this, it remains highlighted, and also it show me the note that this portion has to be uh, added in the introduction part of my research work. And not only this, if you want to select some other portion, let's say this portion you want to take, again you can highlight and here you can give note, for example methods. So this also will remain, it will remain in the file. So next time again when you open, you will find both the highlighted portion and your document. In the notes area it will show that which portion you have to take, and also if you have given any note annotation that this portion has to be used where. So the it is not only the reference manager but also allow you to read the document. It is one kind of PDF viewer. Okay, so let me take you again back to the option recently read. Now you notice that it is showing that one document is read. Means out of all these documents, I have only read one. Similarly, if I open the another one and go through, and if I highlight or just simply go through this document, and now if I see, it is showing that two documents I have read. So the basic advantage is that sometimes we do not remember that out of 100 documents how many documents I have gone through and how many are left. So we can uh, from here we can easily identify that what are the documents I have gone through. The other option, that is the very good one, that is the favorite. Suppose out of 100 documents you find that this document is your favorite document. Favorite means it contains more relevant detail for my study. So I can highlight the star button here, you can see, which turns into dark yellow, and I can one means make it as my favorite document out of all documents. So if I click on this favorite, it will show me only those article list here which have been assigned this star mark, and easily I can locate those document here. Okay, so this is the uh, advantage of the favorite or star. And this option, basically, you see here, my publication. My publication, basically what happens, you can track your published research. Simply drag and drop your publication here, so it will connect with other researcher or collaborator, and it will increase your popularity. It will have the uh, the connection with the thousands of other researchers who are working in the same domain or on the similar idea. So that will increase your author popularity in one sense, you can say. So this will fetch the more number of viewers, and the people can see that what work you have done for the particular idea. The other option, that is the create folder. See, the create folder is very good option. In one, when we write thesis or dissertation or article, it has many components like introduction, methodology, data analysis, or the data. So sometimes it may be difficult for you to means classify all of them manually. So you can easily create the folder here, and you can just classify the document. Suppose I find this document useful for introduction part. This document I find useful for data analysis. This document introduction. So the benefit will be that suppose I want to see that how many documents I have to go through for introduction, how many articles I have to go through for data analysis, I can easily locate them here. So you can create this, and you can use this folder option for identifying that which are the document relevant for my different section of my article. So you can create and you can make use of this folder option in that way. Also, if you want to collaborate with other researcher, so you can create group. So here you can create the group like research data management in India, and you can click on create. So once you click on create, it will ask you to invite the people through mail ID. So once I enter, the group is created and mail also has been sent to the concerned researcher. If he or she agrees, they will be the part of this group. So it will allow you to have the work in the collaboration. Means you can work in the group in collaborative way and share the document for further your research work. And after that, now let me just go back to the document which you have we have uploaded here. Now let me select the last one and take your attention to the metadata part. See, once you select any document, it automatically extracts the all the details associated with this document. Like this is the journal article, title is research data management, author is Tibor, Volte Tibor, and then journal, it is published Encyclopedia of Data Science and Machine Learning in 2022, page number this, and this is the abstract. If I copy this, then yes, tag you can give like RDM, you can give the keyword like research data management. So the benefit will be that suppose I have given the tag RDM, and if I go at the filter, you see if this type of tag I give to 100 out of 100 documents, if I give to 10 document, and when I click RDM, it will just fetch all the documents at one place. So this is the advantage. You can give the tag and it will fetch the detail based on your tag. Similarly, the author keywords, when the research is written, the author is supposed to give 5 or 6 keywords which helps to locate the information or helps to locate or understand that what exactly this document or research document is having the content. You can also give the URL if it is known to you. Then this is DOI already given, ISBN is already given, and the file is also already associated with this. So likewise, you if you go through all the document, you can assign the tag, you can assign the keyword, and then you can do your work. So this way you can organize all your work in a proper way. Now let me show you the other option, that is the citation style. See, these are the citation style, means it has got more than 6,000 citation style. Right now it has means American Psychological Association 7th edition is in use. Suppose you want to change to IEEE, so simply select and use this style. Simply, if you want to change it to Vancouver or Nature, so you select this. So it will easily allow you to change the citation style. I will demonstrate that how you can make use in your article of this citation style. So for that, we need to go to the plugin. As you can see that I have already installed the MS Word plugin. So it is not asking me to install MS Word plugin. As you saw that in the beginning when we install, we finished the installation of plugin. So I am opening the Microsoft Word, and let's say I have this document where I want to cite the information. In-text citation I want to show you. So now you go to reference, and you see the Mendeley, the icon is already available. So l- let's let us insert the citation here. For example, I want to insert the citation here. So I will just click on insert citation and make sure that your Mendeley library is running. So when I just write the words, it will automatically fetch the detail from the Mendeley library. So if I select this and click on OK, you see it has taken the citation as per the American Psychological Association 7th edition, and it has added the citation. Similarly, if I want to add another citation, suppose I want to take this. See, it has taken this. So likewise, you can add all the citation one by one, and finally you can create the bibliography. And for that, you don't have to do anything. Simply click on insert bibliography. And then now see, it has created the bibliography as per the American Psychological Association 7th edition, and you will find all these intact as per the is. And at this stage, if you want to change to any other citation style, it will automatically change the citation. See, the numbering pattern is followed in the document. Similarly, if you want to change nature, it will change the citation as per the citation style. So this way you can use in your research writing very easily, and it will be very helpful for you to arrange all your citation and bibliography properly. One more option, that is the web importer, and that is you can directly get the extension for your Google Chrome, which will allow you to import the document directly from your Google browser. You see here, it has added the web importer icon. So I simply first I will simply search research data management, and let's see, I instead of this I will go to some other document. Let me just this. I'll just click on this icon. After searching the document, I will simply click on this icon, and it will sign into my Mendeley, which if it is open, if it is not open, please open it, and it will open this. And now, 1 minute, let me show you again. Search. Suppose I want to add this. Click on this. So it is showing that this document, and if I want to add to my introduction part or in the library, I simply can select the file and add it. So it will get added to my library. And if I go, you see it has been added. If I go to and sync it, it will show me the document which recently I have added here in the, you see the document has come. I confirm that details are okay. Library automation DLIS 2007. So this way you can get the document from net and add to your Mendeley library directly. And not only that, this I demonstrated you. I will come to the Mendeley library, that 100 million record. If I search research data management, and let's say I got this article useful for my work, I simply click on add to library. So now you see it will add the whatever the document, teaching research data management for a student. Let's take multiple document, and now you see I just click on sync. So all those documents which I have taken from directly from Mendeley library, I can get in my Mendeley library. So simply I need to confirm that these details are okay. I have taken it from the Mendeley library. You see, So once you confirm, it is added to your Mendeley library, and that can be cited again in the your research document. This is the advantage. This way you can search the document here, and you can make use of the Mendeley literature for your research work. And not only that, you have another very important option, that is check for duplicate. Sometimes we forget, and if the document is duplicated here in the library, so it will easily find here from the duplicate, and it will get all the document duplicates, so you can merge them or you can delete them. At the last, you have the option of creating the backup of whole the document. Suppose I can write Mendeley dpt, and then I can save. So what it will do, it will create the backup at desktop, and next time suppose I'm planning to uh, delete this Mendeley, and planning to have it from use it in laptop or any other place, so I can restore. You will find the backup here. You see, this is the backup. If you open this, so it will replace all your means if you recently installed and you want to restore, so there it will allow you to take the uh, backup and restore all your data to your Mendeley library. Uh, Suppose you want to take it in the four options like BibTeX, RIS, EndNote. So this is also possible. You can take it in BibTeX format, and it will take the backup. If you want to import any data from other software, so that also will allow you. You can import it. Like I will show you. You see here the my collection, what we have taken, it will be available here, and that we can import in the, just a minute, let me show you. Suppose this is inside the article folder, that's why we are not able to. In the article folder, you see this is the BibTeX, the document which you have exported. And if I want to import, simply I will go to this file, and I will go to import. I will go to BibTeX, and if I select and open, so it will fetch all my metadata and get it in the Mendeley library. Okay, so this is all about the Mendeley, which can be used for helping the researchers and making this platform uh, for the better research, or arranging all your research work, arranging all your data in a proper way. And one more thing I would like to mention here, that there are some other things which can be means you can check here, like subscription. See, by default it gives you 2 GB space free of cost. It does not charge you anything. But in case if you want to increase or you want to subscribe it, so you can go for upgradation, and you can pay $4.99 per month, and you will be getting 5 GB space. But I don't think it is required, because 2 GB space is more than enough. And similarly, you can also check for carrier setting or notification. You can go to your job preferences. If there is any vacancy or looking for job opportunity, so you can associate with the Elsevier Mendeley, and it will be beneficial for your career. So I hope that I have given you the enough input for using the Mendeley, and this you can use for making your research easy, for bringing some better output. and you can make you can in means assist researcher to make use of this tool to enhance their research output, arrange their research work in a proper way, arrange their literature in a proper way, research data in a proper way, and make the research work more easy. Because when we do write the research work, it takes lot of time to compile the idea, it takes lot of time to compile the bibliography, it takes lot of time to arrange or in means for in-text citation as per any citation style. So in this video, we have discussed about Mendeley, and we are going to have a very interesting session in the on next Saturday that will be taken care by Dr. Irana Setar, Deputy Librarian of NIT Warangal. So he will be discussing and demonstrating some interesting tool for the research. So I will request all of you to please attend that session. That will be really very good and useful for researchers and helping the faculty members to compile the research or writing the research work in a proper way. So thank you all for joining this session. Hope this session will help you to do your research with ease using Mendeley. If you have any query or question or any suggestion, you are most welcome to drop the idea, drop the comment either in the chat box, or you can directly mail me at dptripathi79@gmail.com or to librarianguide@gmail.com. We will definitely reply and help you out. So till then, good night. Take care of yourself, your family. We'll meet again in the next session.